Dear parents, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, it is to inform you that how can you register on our online application. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and type in search bar A.L.S Dnk-E-Connect. After that, this type of application will be shown on the top in search. Please carefully see the icon. Now click on that and download. After downloading, click again on open. Its small icon will also be shown on your mobile screen. So now you are to click on register. As you see, you need to type some info like father or mother name, and then type your ID card number and mobile number also. The last one info is that here we need to type voucher number. Voucher number is provided by your branch representative person, admin, accountant or branch head. So parents, after completing these all steps, A.L.S Dnk server will send you a PIN code in shape of digits through message which need to be written here. After that, you will choose your password and verify again to type the same password. Then your registration will be completed.